Actually, he is
C'est un
really friendly,
psychopathe
you
en
know?
fait, c'est
What
pas
are you looking
possible.
at? Is there cat?
Salut à toi petit caca, c'est Kanoeka et aujourd'hui nouvelle vidéo sur Super Séduceur 2 et cette fois-ci on choisit le premier chemin mais on va partir avec le fameux mannequin russe. Alors si tu kiffes, regarde jusqu'au bout. Et c'est parti pour un peu de Super Séduceur, mais cette fois-ci on va faire la première histoire mais on va aller avec la russe. On va passer un peu tout ça parce que ça on a déjà vu. Alors, je sais plus c'était quoi. C'était ça.
This is a
Ça, on le sait, c'était la bonne
Sam
réponse.
Richards.
Hi.
Et quelque chose pour elle.
So do you
C'est
already
ça,
know what you would
un
like?
souvenir.
What is the
Ok. Ça, pareil, téléphone silencieux.
Sorry about that, just someone... You know what, it's such a lovely day and
Mhm.
well, I've got
Ok.
That's good, correct option. And what do you do for work?
Oh,
Approchez la fille dans la voiture. Allez hop.
Ooh. You know what, I hope you don't mind, I'm just going to get her autograph quickly.
Oh,
I'll be
okay.
back probably, hang on.
Probably.
Yeah.
Right.
Probablement. Ah ouais. Ah bah ouais. Hein.
Starstruck.
Sérieux, y a peut-être pas d'histoire avec... Qu'est-ce que c'est que cet enroué? What the fuck? Je m'attendais à tout sauf à ça. Oh, il a réussi en plus. Il va grimper dans la voiture. Merde. Lui dire qu'elle est mignonne et baisable. Ok, réponse A. Lui dire qu'elle est mignonne et baisable et que sa voiture est assez grande pour pouvoir baiser dedans. Ok, super. Réponse B. Commencer à se frotter contre la voiture. Réponse C. Lui demander de t'amener autre part. D. Être direct et lui dire qu'elle est superbe et que ne voulait pas manquer une occasion de la connaître. E. Faire semblant d'être un flic. F. Lui dire que ta tati est à l'hôpital et que tu vas t'y rendre vite. Réponse D.
Listen, I saw you in that place. And I just think you look amazing. I had to come and talk to you.
thank you.
I didn't know I'd need to run 5 kilometers, but anyway, didn't want to miss the opportunity.
Ouais, genre t'as couru 5 km.
Cool, that's the right option. Obviously, if you go to any great difficulty to talk to a woman, it's then strange to be really indirect. So, you know, if you had to cross the road or run through a crowd or run for, I don't know, 20 miles to speak to her.
You've got to make it worth it when you get there.
Yeah. Attends,
Anyway, my name's Richard.
My name is Marina.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
How are you doing today?
Fine, and you?
Tired, but
Why?
what do you think? I've run 5 miles or kilometers or something.
Really?
Yeah. Good cardio.
Good cardio, good
It's
training.
a long way.
Yeah, but that's nice. It's a nice place here for running.
Yeah.
il est pas habillé pour un jogging. Réponse A, lui dire qu'elle ferait mieux de marcher que de conduire. B, lui demander son numéro de téléphone. C, dire que tu l'as déjà vu quelque part en plaisantant. D, lui dire qu'elle est ouverte et sympathique. Ah, la réponse C, vu que c'est censé être un mannequin, je trouve ça plaisant à lui dire. Étant donné qu'il parle de directive, on lui demandait, on va partir sur C, on va pas se casser trop la
I know you
tête.
from somewhere. I've
Yeah?
seen you, I've seen you, I've seen you.
Je t'ai vu quelque part.
I think I saw you on Crime Watch or America's Most Wanted or something like that, yeah? That was you, right?
Of course, that was
Oh,
me.
no, I know. It was that fails videos.
Also, that was me.
Yeah. Knew I'd seen you somewhere. Yeah, you have that memorable look.
Waouh. J'aurais pas pensé que ce genre de réponse marcherait.
This is a nice one because, you know,
Oh,
she
vache.
expects that you're going to say that you recognize her from all her fancy modeling campaigns, but then you're turning it into a little bit of a playful joke, and it's a way to get the laugh quite early, which is always a great thing to do in the early stages,
Always, if you can make a woman laugh, it's the best thing you can do, in my opinion.
but not in the
Bon, ça,
bedroom.
je suis d'accord.
No, that's a no-no.
Oh mince.
Marina,
Pas ces
I've got
réponses.
an intuition about you immediately. Do you want to
Tell
hear
me.
it? I think that you're very tough and independent,
Ok,
and so
vas-y.
it's hard for people to get to
Ok,
know
ouais,
you.
pourquoi pas.
that right?
Probably, yes.
Yeah.
Nice.
But that
Super.
with people that you're close to, your good friends, family, you're actually very warm and open and kind.
Yep, you're
that right?
right.
Okay.
Yes, good intuition.
I can just feel it.
Réponse A, lui demander ce qu'elle a le plus fait. Coucher avec des mecs ou lire des livres. Oh punaise. B, lui demander si elle est gentille ou méchante. C, lui demander si elle aime les chiens ou les chats. D, lui demander si elle aime... Oh punaise. E, lui demander si elle est du genre spontanée ou chiante. Étant donné que j'aime bien les chats et les chiens, très bien les chiens, on va lui demander si elle aime bien les chiens ou les chats. Je me dis
Do
que
you
ça peut
prefer
être...
cats or dogs?
Nice question.
Yeah.
I actually prefer cats. You know why? Because I have one. I don't like dogs at all. I
Oh.
believe that people who have dogs in the house, they are really cruel and
Bon,
bad
ça, je peux
people.
comprendre
Actually,
aussi.
but
Oh, yeah.
I'm a good person. That's why I have a cat. Cats are perfect. I like cuddling it. And he's so perfect. His name, you know his name? His name is Leo. And she really looks
Ouais,
like
parle.
a real lion. Yes. And he probably he can
vache.
hunt. Yeah, probably he can. I should make him try hunting for the mice or what. I don't know what they're hunting for. But he is perfect, and his fur is so
Dieu.
nice, so silky. It's so nice to cuddle him and to sleep with him. To sleep with him is perfect. It's the best thing in my life to sleep with my cat. But when he gets into my bed, he's so warm. He's so friendly. Actually, he is
C'est
really
psychopathe,
friendly. You
en
know
fait,
what?
c'est
What
pas
are you looking
possible.
there? Is
Carry
the
on.
cat?
No,
cat there?
no, my shoes
Not
undone.
cat
Carry
there?
on. I'm listening.
Like, no,
I'm listening. I'm just
no,
tying
listen.
my
No,
shoes.
you can't listen to me when you're sitting there. My cat, he's like
Oh,
he's
no,
so
no, no, no.
perfect. But actually, I started thinking that dogs are also not so bad. Are you
Ok,
listening
c'est
for
une
me?
psychopathe.
You're not listening for me. No one's listening for me when I'm talking about cats and dogs. And well, that's the question: whom to have at home, the cat or a dog? Cat or dog? Cat or dog?
Ok, bah c'était clairement pas la bonne réponse, hein.
So here she just went off on one about cats. Had to get out of there.
Ok.
She went off on one about cats.
Yeah. Disaster. Dude, I can't do both sides at once. It's either like there or... All right, I'll do them both. All right, come on. All right, man, let's do it. Bicep, yeah?
Ouais, bah c'était pas la bonne idée. Voilà, ouais. Ouais, je vais lui demander si elle est gentille ou méchante alors. Spontanée ou chiante. Allez, réponse B, on va tester
So I've
gentille ou
got good
méchante.
intuition, but I have a question.
Ask.
Are you a good girl or a bad girl?
Ah ouais, mais je
Oh,
m'attendais pas à ce que
such
tu
an
demandes ça.
interesting question.
Yeah.
So if I'm bad,
If you're
So
bad,
what?
if you're bad, if you're bad. If you're good to me, that's good. If you're bad to me, that's bad. If you're bad to, if you're naughty bad, it's good.
and if I'm good,
If you're good to who? To everyone. I don't know, but you're a little bit bad or good, or both.
or both.
Both.
Elle va se barrer. C'était pas la bonne réponse
Do
non
you like
plus.
this question?
No, I don't.
Ah.
I'm not even going to warrant a response. To be fair.
I've got a question
Go on.
actually. Are you a good girl or a bad girl? Are you a great girl or a not great girl? Are you a naughty girl or a well-behaved girl?
I'm a girl that's not interested in this conversation anymore. Thank you.
And there you have it.
Ok,
What have you
bon,
been up
c'est
to
quand même...
today?
Actually, I was in the gym. I just finished my training.
Do you always? So you're a supermodel, so you need to look like this in the gym, or you did it afterwards?
You mean my makeup?
Yeah, all the makeup, the sexy
What's wrong
dress.
with
The makeup's great, but I just think if you're working out and you've got
I was born like this. No, I'm kidding.
Yes,
I'm just
super.
have some other plans after my training.
Ah, so you're going somewhere super glamorous now.
Super glamorous.
Yeah.
I'm going to have my cold pressed juice now.
Ok. Mais bon, on va dire quelque chose au sujet du... Oh putain. B, quel bar à jus de fruits? Je vais prendre un Uber, on se retrouve là-bas. C, et si on s'asseyait simplement dans la voiture parce que femme au volant. Oh merde. D, je peux venir avec toi. J'ai 20 minutes. Je paye les boissons et toi l'essence. En vrai, j'aime bien la E comme ça, là. Dit comme ça, j'aime bien la E. Ouais, vas-y. De toute façon, on y va. Donc, dans tous les cas, au pire.
Yeah, I love
On a peur.
cold pressed juice. It's better than just the normal fresh juice, and that's better than the packet juice, right?
Of course.
Very nice. Well, I tell you what,
Okay.
I'll buy the juices if you pay for the gasoline. What do you say? I'll come with you.
Great idea.
En même temps, on y allait. Donc, bon, si elle continue de
So
te
this
parler,
is an
voilà.
interesting one, and whenever you try to suggest something, some kind of date or going somewhere, if you suggest it like this, I'll pay for the juice, you pay for the gasoline, it's much easier to say yes. If you say, can I come with you to the juice
Oui,
bar,
ça, je suis d'accord.
it's a little bit weaker, and she's often going to say no, even if she might otherwise have agreed. What do you think?
Yeah, and you're also elongating the date by suggesting there's longevity in paying for the gasoline. You're going to go further on in the day.
Nice one.
All right, shall we go?
Okay, get in.
Don't mind if I do. This is nice.
Thank you.
Cool. So, which juice bar were you going to?
I was going to the new one in the center. You know it? I don't remember the name.
I'm not sure, but you know what? There's a place, it's not too far, I think, but it's in a beautiful location. You might even say romantic. It's by the lake. Have you been to that one?
No, I have never been there.
Let me find it on
Do you
the
know
map.
the address? Because I don't know how to go there.
No, but if I put it in, juice bar, lake juice or something. Yeah, there it is.
Lake juice.
See? This
Okay.
one. So you just go there and then there
Oh,
and then there.
really?
So
Not
it's-
far away.
Yeah, it's not far. You want to try it?
Okay, let's try this one.
Ok. Tu fais avec le 80. Il faut créer une relation de confiance. Ok. Non, déjà la réponse A, on oublie. B, lui dire que tu vas en apprendre à la connaître plus intimement. C, après l'entraînement, rien de mieux qu'un massage. Demander à une amie par texto d'appeler. Ouais, non, ça c'est nul. Ouais, j'aimerais bien la C en vrai. La C ou la B. Ouais, la B, je trouve ça trop chelou comme truc. Bon, après, je trouve ça pas ouf. Ça, c'est pas ouf. Et ça, c'est le pire, je pense. Ouais, les choix, là, ils sont plus compliqués que sur les précédents, en vrai. Parce qu'il n'y a pas de réponse que j'aurais envie de donner, en fait. On va tester le massage, même
You know, I
si...
go to the gym too sometimes.
Really?
Yeah, and my favorite thing is after the gym, when all your muscles hurt and you're tired, is a nice massage. Do you like massages?
Yeah, I believe that everyone likes massage.
Yeah, I
Donc,
think
voilà,
so.
c'est sur
Yeah.
ça, je partais...
You know what? I've been told I give very good massages.
Bah, c'est la partie où
Really?
je serais
Yeah.
pas
I'll just
arrivé.
give you a 3-second taste. You ready?
Be careful.
Oh, fuck.
Just a little
Yeah, it's really so relaxing.
bit. Good, yeah?
Yeah, good.
Ok, bon,
Alright.
ça va, il n'était pas
I feel
trop...
now relaxed enough to have a...
Don't be too relaxed. You'll sleep.
Okay, we should drive.
Alright, let's go. So straight here,
Okay, I see.
and then turn right.
Ok,
There are different ways, obviously, to initiate physical contact, and most guys have a problem kind of bridging that gap between nothing and kissing. And a nice way to do that is like a little massage just for a few seconds, not lingering and becoming creepy and odd, but just a few seconds to give a taste and then take
pas
it
trop
away.
chaud
And
pour la
obviously,
réponse qu'il donne, mais bon.
a massage is not generally thought of as a sexual thing, so it should be okay.
Ouais. Il est où ce Lake Juice?
So where is it?
Nowhere.
I think it was here.
Really?
Yeah, it must have shut down. Now they've got this Coca-Cola place over there. Maybe.
Or maybe
know.
you planned this.
Ok, alors lui dire que non et que tu vas méconnaître, B, te confondre en excuse. Te confondre? Pourquoi te confondre? Ok, C, lui dire que beaucoup de filles fantasment d'avoir des rapports dans des espaces publics. Étant donné que je suis honnête, je partirai sur la réponse honnête. Allez, on va partir
So
sur
how
ça.
come it's not here anymore?
Marina, look, I'll tell you something about me.
Oh,
I'm
quand
very
même dire-
honest.
Ah non, ok.
So if I intended to bring you to a place with no juice bar, and I knew that there was no juice bar there, I would tell you. But honestly, I really thought it was here. Haven't been here for a while, and I guess it shut down. But we could just take a minute and enjoy the beautiful place, yeah? And then maybe go for juice somewhere else.
Well, actually, it's a really good place.
J'avoue que lui est bien.
Glad you like it.
In this moment, only honesty will work.
De toute façon,
And I think
l'honnêteté,
it
ça
would
paye
be
presque
unattractive to be overly apologetic. But being honest, obviously, is good.
I think honesty is always the best policy.
Ouais, ça dépend. Mais en vrai, la
You know, I
plupart
used
du
to
temps,
come
c'est
here when I was young, feed the ducks, the swans.
And now, when you are not young anymore,
Ah, now I'm too busy, so
what are you gonna do?
what are we gonna do?
Mhm. Ok, bon, j'ai juste lu les réponses B et C, déjà c'est dead. Hein. Ah, et si on est obligé de boire un jus de fruits, qu'on allait plutôt en boire un chez moi, c'est ça à mon avis, il n'y a pas d'hésitation.
Marina.
Hein.
I've got a radical idea.
Radical. Tell me.
Yeah. So get this. Juice bar's not here.
Obviously.
So we could go to the Coca-Cola place, but no, we don't really want that. We could go and try and find another juice bar, but I tell you what, I've got a
What
juice
was that?
machine. I've got oranges, pineapples, maybe I've even got some mangoes. So why don't we go to my place and I'll make us some delicious juice. What do you say?
So your place? Mm-hmm. For juice.
Just the juice.
Well, okay.
De toute façon, c'était sûr, les
Excellent.
deux autres réponses, c'était pas possible qu'elles disent quelque chose de positif.
Nice one. This is the right option. Obviously, it is very bold, but you've already got some
C'est clairement
indicators
ballsy,
of
ouais, ça tu
interest.
peux le dire.
She does want juice. You got the juice. Why not?
Look, there's nothing wrong with being bold and confident. That's nothing to, to stop. It's an attractive quality. Good luck.
Good luck, ok. Ouais.
You know, one of the things I like most in life is how you can make small decisions and it just changes your life in a completely unexpected but exciting way. Yeah, like today, how we met.
Yeah, I don't know where you're leading to, but I need to tell you. If I'm coming to a house, I'm just coming
Ok,
to
ça me
have
change.
juice,
Juice,
not sex.
not sex.
Juice.
Tasty
Logique.
juice.
Anyway, you should remember that I just come out of my kickboxing class.
Oh yeah.
Mhm. Ouah, réponse A, je profite de toi pour avoir des recettes de jus de fruits, rien de plus. Sois pas présomptueuse. Oh la vache. B, lui dire que tu respectes ta décision, quelle qu'elle soit. C, c'est de la tripoter, dire que tu savais que... Mais c'est la même réponse qu'avant. D, lui dire que si elle ne couche pas avec toi, elle reverra sa famille en morceaux. Ouah, le délire. En vrai, j'aime bien la B, mais juste pour rigoler, j'ai envie de mettre la A quand même. Parce que... Ouais. Allez, on va rester sur la B.
You know, I respect that. But here's how it's gonna be. I can still compliment you. I can still make some moves. But if you say no, I will respect it.
Ok,
But at least
pose
you
les
can
bases, c'est
enjoy
bien.
me, flirting with you and trying to.
Or enjoy the power of saying no.
Yeah, if that's what you like, of course, it's your decision.
Okay.
Ouais, good choice.
So, whenever you're accused of being I don't know, sexual, or whenever a woman says, I'm not going to have sex with you, the wrong answer is to say, of course, I would never try that. You know, it's a much
Oui, bah,
better
c'est sûr.
position to take, to be honest
Encore
that
une
you're
fois,
attracted
l'honnêteté.
to her, but also
Toujours
tell
et
her
encore
that, of course,
l'honnêteté.
she has the right and you'll respect her wishes and not overstep.
Yeah, absolutely. You need to know. She needs to know where you stand in terms of how you feel about her. But I think that putting the ball in her court, keeping her in charge of the situation, that's always good.
And a man shouldn't
Okay.
forget to show at least a little bit of sexuality. He just needs to show that he does have self-control and he's going to respect her.
Absolutely.
Ça, je suis totalement d'accord aussi.
You very thirsty? I'm super thirsty. Look, that juice is not going to cold press itself. Let's get out of here.
Okay, let's go.
Je crois qu'elle avait un rendez-vous. Ah non, elle allait à un parachute, oui, c'est vrai. À 21 minutes plus tard, c'est précis à mort. 21 minutes plus tard, pas 20, pas 22, 21. Elle sait pas comment s'asseoir. Elle est sympa son appart en vrai.
Here you go.
On dirait juste du jus d'orange par contre. Et en plus, ouais,
Wow, that's nice.
Yeah, it's
J'ai
one
pas
of my
vu d'ananas
favourites. I had it
coupé,
for
j'ai
the
juste
first
vu de
time
l'orange.
in, Singapore.
I'm trying it for the first time now.
Oh, cool. Well, tell me what you think.
Really nice, refreshing.
You're good, right?
Yeah, when it's
Il y a
hot
que des
outside,
oranges
it's
de couper
perfect
là-bas,
indeed.
c'est pas possible.
What's your
Je vois
favorite juice?
aucune pineapple.
Actually, my favorite is tomato juice.
Ah ouais, par contre, genre, c'est vraiment
It's
Like
good.
bloody,
tout
bloody
prêt en
Mary,
fait, son
yeah, with
canapé, sa
vodka.
table.
And after Bloody Mary, when you have some hangover, it's perfect tomato juice.
Ah, very nice. Cool. You know what's very good? In tropical countries, when they have all the different fruits, you can have dragon fruit, soursop, like all kinds of crazy fruits.
Sounds so nice, tropical countries.
Yeah. Do you like to travel?
Yeah.
Ok. Ah, utiliser la méthode des mauvaises expériences sexuelles d'Adam Lyon. Je ne sais pas c'est quoi. Et lui poser des questions sur sa vie sexuelle. Oh putain. C'est utiliser la technique des 3 critères de Baxter et en savoir plus sur ses passions. Hop, les passions.
Marina, what's something you're really passionate about in life?
You
Comme
wanna
ça,
know?
pam.
Yeah, of course.
To tell you the truth, photography is my passion.
En même
It's
temps,
not
c'est un
just my
mannequin.
job, it's just
Ah, dans la photographie.
where my heart belongs to. I love to tell the story. I like to show my body through the camera, and I love people watching me, and I love people seeing me in magazines and everywhere. I love this attention, and I believe that I can show them the person that I am, and always to tell some story.
And it's always different, right? Because you have different looks and different emotions.
Yeah, and that's perfect. You can always be a different person. One day you are angel, and the next day you are a devil.
Wow. But you never forget
Ouais,
who you are for real.
Oh yes, well, of course. I always remember who am I, but my favorite role is actually the role of devil.
C'est bizarre. Comme par hasard, elle se touche sa robe tout le temps, machin. Comme par hasard, elle te
A
dit
lot
que
of
c'est
the
le rôle
time,
du
it's very
démon.
good to just get someone to talk about something that they enjoy. So that might not be their job, it might not be food, it might not be travel, but every person has something that they're passionate about and that they love to talk about.
And when you're talking about something that you're passionate
Oh, la
about, you're
pauvre avec la
often your
robe rouge, elle
most
galère. Elle
attractive, I
enlève sa
find.
main, elle
Don't you
remet
think?
sa main.
Definitely, yeah, expressive and smiling and energetic, yeah.
You said you do some, what was it, Thai boxing? Or...
Now it was kickboxing.
Kickboxing.
Ouais.
You know what is it?
Yeah. That's
What's
the
the
one.
difference between kickboxing and Thai box?
You're testing me. Okay, so Thai boxing is where you can kick, punch, but you can also elbow.
Right.
So it's awful, and knee and all of that stuff.
You wanna see real kickboxing in your life?
Yeah, I think I saw it. Yeah,
You
I've seen
wanna
it.
try?
With you?
Yes.
In this dress?
Ouais.
Yes, in this dress,
In these heels?
in these heels.
Sounds great. Yeah, show me something.
Let's start.
Uh-huh.
You ready?
I was born ready.
Let's
Now
start.
I'm even readier.
Let's start.
Okay.
Ouais, elle va... What the... Ah, elle a traité plusieurs fois pour la provoquer. B, l'assommer pour lui montrer ta virilité. C, la regarder dans les yeux pour connecter vos âmes. D, faire un petit combat et lui faire une prise de judo pour la jeter sur le canapé. En vrai, ça m'étonnerait que ce soit la D, mais j'ai quand même... Je vais faire la D, juste par fun.
So, Let's learn some techniques.
Let's just try.
You're already ready?
Yeah,
Wata wata, c'est quoi ça?
got you. What?
Not the perfect kickboxing.
That's not perfect. All right, let's try something else. You ready? Watch this one. 3 steps. 1, 2, and then. Cool, the right
Merde.
option in this case, but obviously
tellement
do
chaud.
not try this at home. I'm highly trained in the arts
J'ai un
martial,
haut niveau en
so
arts
I
martiaux qui
can
l'a
do this
lâché.
effectively. But the point to mention is that, you know, to bridge that gap between the non-physical to the physical, you've got dancing, you've got massage, you've got just, you know, getting closer.
J'aurais bien voulu tester
little
les autres
play
réponses du coup
fighting,
maintenant.
tickling, all of this stuff does it. So.
I would say
Genre la réponse
watch
C,
where you're
j'aurais bien
throwing
voulu voir
her,
ce que ça aurait
potentially,
fait.
if you're going to be making this a regular occurrence, but
Not on a spiked bed or.
yeah, maybe not.
Can you fight? Do you do any?
Yeah, I can do judo actually.
Elle fait aussi du judo comme par hasard.
Watch out.
Elle aussi, je suis sûr qu'elle a un haut niveau. Ah bah, j'ai raté un épisode là, je crois.
This is mad. We only just met.
You know, that's true. But I don't know about you, but to me, everything just feels really right.
Ah, lui dire que c'est trop cool que vous êtes tous les deux sobres, qu'elle est spontanée et pas chiante. B, lui faire signer un contrat. C, essayer de battre ton record de vitesse de baisse. Ok, ben voilà. Réponse A, sans souci.
You know what's cool? It's the daytime, we're not drunk, so we have this real connection. Yeah?
Right.
So
Voilà,
this is one
peut-être
of
qu'il
those
avait-
situations where she could see it as either weird and something that shouldn't
qu'il n'a
happen,
pas-
or
Okay.
if you paint it as something cool and spontaneous and interesting and different and happening for the right reasons, then she's more likely to see it that way too. But if you kind of let the doubt go too long, then she might just say, "This is weird, what are we doing?"
Yeah, you need to be confident
Okay.
with your actions for sure.
Bon, ça... Mhm. What the fuck? Coucher avec elle ou partir? Ah, déjà, pourquoi, après l'avoir embrassé et tout ça, et dire qu'il y a une connexion, il voudrait partir? En fait, je comprends pas. Et en même temps, d'un autre côté, coucher avec elle, c'est peut-être genre... Ah, putain. Bon, après, c'est un jeu, on va partir sur le LOLs, hein.
Nice one. Obviously, the perfect choice, best
que,
choice in the game.
en même
Well done.
temps-
Thank you for helping.
Great, yes. Well, it's absolutely a woman's prerogative. Whatever you choose, as long as it's your decision and you're happy with it, that's great.
Ok.
This
Ok.
is a direct way to start, and I think in this situation.
Bon, si vous avez
it's
kiffé
pretty
mes
cool.
caca, n'hésitez pas à mettre un
Whenever
gros
you're
pouce bleu,
approaching
à vous
a woman
abonner
in front of
et
her
surtout,
friends or in a
n'hésitez
public
pas
place,
à vous lâcher
she
dans les
would at least
commentaires.
appreciate that
Allez,
you're very
tchuss mes
confident
caca.
if you can go up and do it like that.